This is my demonstration of my EdPuzzle assignment. So here is the written comment with the embedded picture, and students would click continue.
A full-grown Ruppel's vulture can weigh over 20 pounds. It's a huge bird that's an expert scavenger. It will sometimes fly over 90 miles looking for a kill.
One important interaction that the video fails to point out is the interaction between the grasses and other plants and the antelope. So think about where the grass would fit on that trophic pyramid we saw before and how it relates to all the animals above it in the trophic pyramid.
This looks promising.
So that was an audio comment.
A hungry lion takes a bead on a pair of congoni, a species of antelope.
And here is an open-ended question, so students would type in their answer. And then submit.
The congoni are distracted, and the lion takes full advantage.
And then here is a multiple choice question.
The griffin vultures circle overhead, observing all this. Knowing their timing has to be just right, they begin their group descent. Believe it or not, taking down the antelope was the easy part for the lion. Now it has to figure out a way to hide the kill from all the beasts who will try and take it away.
And now I'll demonstrate how students cannot skip the video. So if they were to click anywhere here, it shows that lock thing, which means they cannot skip.
Land, preparing their assault. Just as the vultures are watching the lion, some hyenas are watching the vultures. The lion tries to chase off the hyenas, but a certain number of hyenas equals critical mass, and the lion ends up having to ditch its booty. Which means the vultures have an entire fresh congoni carcass all to themselves.
And this is the true or false question that was required.
Even the hyenas can't get close when these vultures are dining at nature's buffet table. The hyenas get the bum's rush when it comes time to share the spoils in battle. Okay, now here's the after shot of the carcass. They left barely a morsel. In fact, their fuel tanks are so full, they almost can't get airborne. But airborne they get, and they resume their natural duty. 1st Airborne Division of the Serengeti Cleanup Squadron.
And then this is the last question. It's another open-ended question. So students would type in their answers. For time's sake, I'll just enter nothing. All right. So that would be the students' final submission. They could I could come down here and comment. So if I go to gradebook, sorry, my classes, I can click on this and grade answers. So I can come in here, give them an answer or a grade out of 100 and comment. So I'll just give these both 100 out of 100. Then, to see progress, you can see right here, it'll show you the student name, how much they've watched, what their grade was last seen, and if they turned it in on time or not. And then we can export the results by just clicking Export Results here, and it'll actually download it as an Excel spreadsheet. And you can open up the Excel, and it'll show you all of the, it'll show you like the grade, all of those stats from the software. And that is it.